Guys,
Breach to.
they're gonna play around this 3 chokes here, okay? My Ditangs needs to play well. Come southwest.
Brawlers mount up, dismount behind them.
Also sa my second party Ditangs.
Hindi mo yung hindi mo pa.
Yo, come northwest. Yo, kiss and W's inside, kiss and W's inside, kiss and W's inside, kiss and W's inside.
One garden, not.
Standard na sila.
Sa water.
Okay, come northwest.
Nag-OC na. Nag-OC na sila. Nag-food check OC na sila.
Dismounted. Sa choke mo.
Careful, choke na
One
choke.
garden. One garden.
Careful, huwag ka mag-break dito.
Hold now, just hold now.
Lock sila kaya, small choke
Mini
ito.
brawl
Yo,
going at
come
your east side.
Come south.
Sa may water bridge ha, water bridge.
Come south. Yo, careful on the choke. Come northeast now. Come northeast.
Jem, pamark na kay Sancher. Jem. Mark yung Sancher para ano,
Mini brawl
maiwasan
dun sa
din
pink
Yo,
on east side niya.
hold now. Just hold
You can see
this.
Sancho from here.
Yeah, Mark,
Waiting sila sa may choke ha, waiting sa may choke.
Yep.
Diamond siya. Sancher Diamond.
Okay,
Yo, hold now, guys.
Thank you,
Hold
man.
now.
I'll see the mini brawl.
Yung hindi ba na ito? Matap lang.
Guys, hold this.
DMS, build up. DMS, go front. Go to Santos. Okay,
Ilan healer nyo, Silva? Ilan healer nyo? Ilan healer nyo?
Tatlo.
Yo, energy.
Shipper.
Shipper.
Brawlers, be dismount, okay? We need to run them over.
Inching si ano, Sancher. Careful.
Brawlers, you cannot be dismounted.
May brawl sila, may brawl party sila.
Looking ha. Naglulok ha. Ito ha, inching ha. Bumalik.
May brawl party sila na nakamount up.
Yo, my kingmakers, you guys can mount up.
Brawlers, we have to run them over after they engage, okay? Do not mount, do not dismount.
My Berpos also, please.
Inching. Defensive.
Guardians sa choke, mabibedra kayo.
Guardians. Keep walking.
Shipper.
Just keep walking.
Engage na uli ah, nag-assassinate na to ah.
Just keep walking, guys.
East side sila Sancher.
Yo, keep going.
May naiiwan sa west side nila, malaki na sa west.
Look east, 5. On my count, east 4, 3, 2, 1.
Brawlers, on them now.
Kilisitang now.
Brawlers, you have to stun them now.
Nagkasatas.
Mag-engage na.
Looking ha.
Brawlers, cut them.
Nice one.
Pwede mo full push sa north.
Walk northeast. Walk northwest. Walk east.
Okay, southeast na ulit.
4, 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. East now, guys. Full push out east. Full push out east. Just full push out east.
Asher looking again.
Brawlers at the north, top zone.
Keep going southeast, guys. Come northwest now.
Careful team on the north.
Yo, look north on the bridge. 5, deep north on the bridge. 4, deep north is 3, 2, 1, deep north on the bridge now.
Mag-run na to.
Nice one.
Okay, full push him. Yo, Beppo, good shit, bro. Holy shit.
Olero.
Kill sensor. Catch.
Dito marami pang nauli dito siya na.
Catch. Mga proper nila.
May isa dito ah.
Yush, ba't ka
May isa
nagdulot,
dito.
Yush, hello.
Yo, no traffic.
Hindi kayo pwede mag-loot.
Calm. 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Nice one, guys.
In combat yan.
Full cash. Don't let them run.
Ito,
Parang
may mountain
pixie.
dito sa ping. Pwede nyo i-cut yung sa likod. On ping. Mounted up.
Yo. Ha? Asa man? Incline lagi. Incline G.
On ping. Mounted up. Sa likod mo na. Naiwan.
Can anyone come back and help me?
Where are you? Go northwest. Arawan, loot ka pa rin, ha?
Sige. Full na nga ako.
Ay, ninong Rai dito. Okay, sa west.
Okay, catch.
Hit yung
Nice.
sinasama natin.
Nakuha nila yung loot.
Yung may mga
Consider.
lumabig na sa akin. Rin sa battle mount.
Dami ah.
Trade kay Silva.
Marami, ha? Ingat kayo. This one in front of them, guys. May mga loot to. Catch them, guys. Catch them on the ping. Ito, may bag.
Wood ko na naman. Okay.
Nakatakbo yung isa.
Oh, me 3, 2, 1, me.
Okay, full na ako kayo. Palit.
Sige. Sige.
Tayo mo sa akin dyan yung iba.
Yo guys, regroup sa us. If you're not getting caught, just mount up. Regroup sa us.
Saan ka rin?
Dito ako tara.
Ang ganda ng counter ng bomb squad natin, Tumbre. Nung nag-turn sila.